Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Pipe Father, and this is Tuscaloosa Plumbing. In this episode, we'll be doing some more recruitment at Paul Bryant High School. Go Stampede. If you haven't yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's located down below, bottom right. Give this video a thumbs up. I hope a lot of students come up. I think they will. In the other classes they did, so hopefully we'll have a great recruitment today. It'll give me the opportunity to network with the students and hopefully fill the future classes. I know I've got some seniors in my class right now, and I'm trying to set up some speaking engagements with my local contractors, trying to get them to come through and hire from this program, and they are very interested in hiring from this program. So as we advance, only hopefully we'll see more of that to come. All right, we're good. basic parts of a toilet, the DIY repairs and such as that. So that's what my intro class is working on, and my advanced class is working on a Skills USA platform. This year we should compete coming up in April. So you stay tuned. I don't want you to miss anything. And see you next time. Later. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Thank you so much. Bye.